Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some of the most incredible life-saving gadgets on the market. Whether you're out in the ocean, trapped in a burning building, facing a natural disaster, those innovative devices are designed to keep you safe and sound. So make sure to stick around as we explore these top gadgets that could one day save your life. If you find yourself in the middle of the ocean, looking for a buoy to keep you afloat and wait patiently for rescue, the company from China, Didoc Makings, have a better idea. They developed the TY3R Flying Lifebuoy drone. The device is a highly effective solution for water rescue operations. This idea combines the functionality of a flying machine and a lifebuoy. So your rescuer can see you struggling in water. He can send the device right above your location. You jump into it, and then the smart buoy can deliver you safely to the nearest boat or to the shore. Unfortunately, being rescued this way might create another problem, in the form of being a bite for a shark. Sharks are hunting using electroreception. They have pores around their faces that are filled with an electrically conductive jelly. Hair-like cells line the bottom of the ampulla, and when electrical current travels through the jelly to those cells, they trigger the release of neurotransmitters in the shark's brain. Those neurotransmitters signal to the shark that something alive is nearby. That's why they are the first animals to arrive where there is any vigorous splashing in the water. SharkBand's device is a decade worth of scientific researches on the use of magnetic technology as an active and effective shark deterrent. Very cool concept, and it has been approved to protect people to some extent. However, the price might keep you away before testing it. But being in the middle of deep blue surrounded by sharks is the half of the worry compared to what evacuation from burning buildings looks like. It is estimated that each year there is almost 360,000 home-based fires on average, and 75% of those are dwelling fires. I think this is where fireball extinguisher plays a crucial role and can potentially save many lives. It is a polyester ball-shaped shell filled up with milled explosive and dry fire extinguishing powder. Once this fire extinguisher comes into contact with fire, it triggers the explosive blasting extinguishing powder out in a radius of up to 60 square feet. This solution can be used without human interference, and they can be stored directly where the most vulnerable spots are. If the fire will ignite there, they'll trigger automatically even if you are fast asleep. Unfortunately, that's not gonna cut the fire if the radius is greater than 60 foot. If this is the case, then you have no other choice than evacuate yourself and others from there as quick as possible. And this is where escape rescue system comes into play. Developed after 9/11 terror attacks and the situation that thousands of people found themselves trapped in burning buildings with no way to escape. Once you set the systems up, if there is ever a fire, it is instantly deployable, ultra-fast, fire-resistant external elevator that can bring residents down to a safety and take firefighters up at a speed of up to 3 meters per second. There is even better device out there that is capable of saving even more people than that, capable of smarting large-scale disasters, and this is where tsunami survival capsule comes into play. Many of you remember the deadliest tsunami recorded in recent history, which killed more than 230,000 people across 14 countries and caused more than 10 billion in damages. The tsunami was triggered by a 9.1 magnitude earthquake that struck the ocean floor 18 miles below the northern tip of Sumatra. Well, this disaster could be prevented if we had tsunami pods. They are surrounded with aircraft-grade aluminium from the outside, protecting from impact, and ceramic inside walls to protect from the heat. They are spherical shaped to stop accumulating debris around and to keep them upright, and they can even play your favorite tunes thanks to the iPod dock, helping you conquer down the blast. They are so durable that if you would lost everything in the tsunami, even your house would turn into a pile of debris, this pod will still be standing. However, this pod is pretty niche thing, can't imagine many will be buying them. What if this earthquake will happen on the ground? One of possible solutions to protect yourself is earthquake-proof bed. Every year there are tens of thousands of underground tremors in various parts of the world. Most of them are barely noticeable, but what if one of them would be so strong that the magnitude of it would wipe out the whole city from the surface? Hundreds of thousands of people put into danger. One of the main causes of death during the earthquake is destruction of buildings, especially if it happens while people are asleep in their beds. Well, to the rescue comes a development by Dahir Insat. This bed transforms into a shelter during the first underground tremors of an earthquake, protecting the occupant from harm. Made out of metal pipes containing composite mass, providing the design stays intact and maintain its shape beneath falling debris. This bed is equipped with vibration safety sensors that are calibrated to react to underground tremors of a specific intensity. Security systems, from the other hand, prevent the device from activating if there is an obstacle blocking the lid from closing. When the earthquake occurs, the sleeping area safely descends inside the container, protecting the user. Inside the bed you can pack up crucial items like food rations and water supplies to help you stay alive for days. Isn't it a great device? Ideal for survivalists living in a high earthquake density area like Japan, for example. And there you have it, 6 groundbreaking gadgets that could be the difference between life and death in a crucial situation. From high-tech lifebuoys to tsunami survival capsules, these devices are truly remarkable. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let us know in the comments which gadget you found the most fascinating, or if there are any other life-saving devices you think should have made the list. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next episode.